Good morning, everyone. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today, I am going to start exercise 10B. This exercise is based on the concept of weight. Yesterday, we have done exercise 10A, which is based on the concept of length. Now, this exercise 10B from the chapter measurement is based on the concept of weight. So, mnemonic is same. King, Harry, died, mother, didn't cry much. But in the middle, in place of M, we will write G if the question is based on weight. So look here, King, K, Harry, H. After that, died, DA. Now, here you will not write M because M is the unit we use when the question is based on length. But the 10B exercise is based on weight, and the unit, standard unit of weight, you will write here G, gram. You will write here gram. After that, didn't cry much. So in place of M here, you will write G. Kilogram, hectogram, decagram. This is gram. Decigram, centigram, milligram. The way to solve the questions are exactly same. The difference is in place of meter, you will write G here because the question is based on weight. So for weight, you will not use meter. Meter is a unit for length. For weight, we will use gram. So let's start exercise 10B. First question. Question is, Tanu's weight is 45,000 gram. This is given in the question. So weight of Tanu, WT dot, is a short form of weight. This dot is compulsory. I am repeating, whenever you will write weight in shortcut, this dot is compulsory. Weight of Tanu is 45,000 gram. This is given in the question. It means gram is given. Gram is given. It means you are here. You are here. And the question is to write this weight in kilogram. So, 1, 2, 3. 3 jumps. After 3 jumps, you will reach kilogram. Left hand side movement. And in left hand side movement, we will divide. So you will write here 45,000 divided by 1,000. Now, you will not write gram here because conversion done. So write kilogram here. Now 0, 0 cut, one more 0 cut, and one more 0 cut is equal to 45 kilogram. So you will write here weight of Tanu in kilogram is equal to 45 kilogram. Write down. Write down all of you. Method is same that we use in length, but only difference is in place of M, you will write gram here. And this thing is very important. In the short form of weight, this dot is compulsory. WT dot. So note down. After that, come to the second question. Second question. Bali's books weight 2 gram. What is given? Bali's books weight 2 gram. What is the weight in milligram? So let's start. Second question. So we will write here weight of books is equal to 2 gram. Gram is given. Gram. Again in the question, gram is given to you. It means you are here. You are here. And the question is to convert this to milligram. Milligram. So here you have milligram. So 1, 2 and 3. 3 jumps on right hand side. 3 jumps on the right hand side. So 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, and here you will write milligram. So in the result you will write weight of books in milligram is equal to 2000 milligram. Write down. So write down all of you. Same. 2 gram is given. It means you are here. And the question is to convert this gram to milligram. So for milligram, movement on which side? Right hand side. Whenever our movement is on right hand side, then we will multiply here. So note down. After that, come to the fourth question. Fourth question. Fourth question. Raj is 5 feet tall and weighs 47 kilogram. Ram is 5 feet tall and weight is 39,000 gram. So the weight of Raj in kilogram and the weight of Ram in gram. Rishik Mehta Rishik Mehta, unmute yourself. Abhinav Chopra. Now Nischay.
मैम जो से बच्चे मैम लास्ट में जो
No issue. Read fourth question.
Raj is 5 feet tall and weight 47 kg.
Yes.
Ram
So
is 5.
what you will write here? Tell me. What you will
Weight.
Yes, weight.
Weight of Raj.
Yes, weight of Raj is equal to
47 kg.
Yes. And in a next step, what you will write?
Weight of Ram.
Weight of Ram. Weight of Ram is equal to 39,000 gram. 39,000 gram. Now tell me, how can you solve this sum?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, by multiply.
Now this is gram now. This is gram. This is
Yes,
both
ma'am.
the units are different. This unit is
Yes,
kilogram. All of you listen. This unit is kilogram. This unit is gram. Both the units are different. So we are not able to solve the sum. First of all, we will make them same. Now tell me, how can you make gram to kilogram? It is compulsory to make both the units same. But here units are not same. This is kilogram and this is gram. Now tell me, how can you convert this gram to kilogram? This is gram. Gram means you are here. Now how can you convert this gram to kilogram?
Ma'am, by divide.
Yes. How many jumps?
Ma'am, 3.
This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. 3 jumps. So 39,000 upon 1,000. Now you will write here kilogram. Now 0, 0, cut.
Cut.
Again 0, 0, cut. Again 0, 0, cut. So this is equal to 39 kilogram. Now the question is, who is heavier? Who is heavier? Raj is heavier or Ram is heavier? The Raj. Weight. Yes. Tell me, Nischay, who is heavier?
Ma'am, Raj is heavier.
Raj is heavier. By how much? How can you find by how much?
Ma'am, by minus.
Very good. So we will find the difference here. Now we will find the difference. So difference is equal to 47 kg minus 39 kg. Now tell me the result after the subtraction. Very good, Harman. The result is 8 kg. So what is the result? The result is 8 kg. So this is the result, 8 kg. So this is the way to solve the sum.
Okay, ma'am.
In the first step, you will make both the units same. This thing is very, very important. This in kilogram and second in gram. In the first step, you will make both the units same. After that, you will solve. You will not solve the sum if one unit in kilogram and second unit in gram. First of all, either convert this kilogram to gram. This is not compulsory भी हमने इसको किलोग्राम में ही करना है. आप चाहे इसको ग्राम में कर दो. This is your wish. After that, come to the fifth question. Write down and fifth question. Fifth question. The question is, one biscuit weighs 3 gram. One biscuit. The weight of one biscuit is given to you. Find the weight of 1 dozen such biscuits. So you will write here weight of one biscuit is equal to 3 gram. This is given in the question. This thing is given in the question, but the question is based on find the weight of 1 dozen. So write down in the chat box, in 1 dozen we have how many pieces? Write down in the chat box. In 1 dozen is equal to how many pieces? Very good. In 1 dozen we have 12 pieces. 12 pieces. So you will not write here 1 dozen. You will not write here 1 dozen. In place of 1 dozen, you will write 12. So weight of 12 biscuits is equal to, this thing is important, 1 dozen is equal to 12 pieces. So the weight of one biscuit is given to you. To find the weight of 12 such biscuits, we will multiply both. So 3 multiplied by 12 is equal to 36 gram. Whenever, this thing is very important, whenever the weight of one thing is given in the question and the question is to find the weight of something more, then to find the weight of something more, we will apply the method of multiplication. Look, one biscuit weight is given to you and the question is to find the weight of 12. This 12 is more than 1. So to find the weight of 12, you will multiply this 12 with 3. And this method is known as the unitary method. When one thing is given and the question is to find the weight of something more, then you will always multiply. Note down. After that, come to the sixth question. Note down this question and then we will start question number 6. Myra, read question 6. Myra, you are unmute. Read question number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Read sixth question.
A box of chocolate weighs 343 grams. Find the weight of half a dozen such boxes in a kilogram.
Now tell me, how can we start? What you
A
will write?
box of chocolate.
Yes, a box of.
One weighs
You will write here weight of a box. Weight of a box is equal to 343 gram. You will write like this. Weight of a box. What is given? A box of chocolate weights. It means weight of a word means one box. 343 gram. And the question is to find half a dozen. Now tell me how many pieces in a half a dozen?
12 pieces. 6 pieces.
Yes, 6 pieces. Very good. 6 pieces. Because half. In 1 dozen, we have 12 pieces, but half. What is a half of 12? 6. So you will write here weight of 6 boxes. Now tell me, how can you find the weight of 6 boxes? If the weight of a box means a weight of one box is given to you.
By multiplying.
Yes. So 343 multiplied by 6. Now multiply 343 with 6, all of you, and write down in the chat box. What is the result after multiplication? I am waiting. Multiply and tell me the result. Very good, Divya. Very good, Shivain Mahajan. Yes, well done. Good response. So we will write here 2058 gram after multiplication. So this is Myra.
Yes, ma'am.
Question finish? Our question finish? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Read your question. Find the weight of half a dozen such boxes in kilogram. Check question from the book.
Ma'am, we will convert
Yes. As the
kilogram.
question is based on give your final result in kilogram. So this is not the last step. In the last step, we have to convert this to the kilogram. Now tell me, how can you convert this gram to kilogram?
We will write a formula.
Formula
1000
is,
grams is
yes,
equal
yes, yes.
to 1
Formula is
kg.
already on the board. Now tell me movement on which side?
Now, left side.
Very good. So 1, 2, 3. So movement towards left hand side means we will divide. So 2058 divided by 1, 2, 3.
Half.
Now here you will write kilogram. Now all of you check. 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros in the denominator. It means in the numerator, after 3 digits, you will put your decimal. And when you put your decimal, you will start your counting from the right hand side. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So 2.058 kilogram is the result. Note down. This is very important. Shortcut method. You can apply shortcut method if the zeros are given. 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. 3 zeros means in the numerator, you will put decimal after the 3 digits. But start your counting from the right hand side. This is 1 digit, this is 2 digit, and this is 3rd digit. So after 3 digits, you will put here decimal. Not start your counting from the left hand side. If you will write like this now, 2. 205.8. This is wrong. This is wrong. So when you put the decimal, start your counting from the this side, right hand side. Now come to the ninth question. The next question is the ninth question. Shantanu Sharma. Shantanu? Shantanu, you are unmute. Toesh Arora. Yes. Toesh,
Yes, ma'am.
read ninth question.
Yes, ma'am.
Ninth question. Read ninth question.
Okay, ma'am.
बेटा जिनकी वीडियोस ऑफ है, मैं आज लास्ट टाइम बोल रही हूँ, मैं बार बार नहीं बोलूंगी, मेरे लिए वो बच्चे क्लास में एब्सेंट है, मैं उनको क्लास में इन्वॉल्व नहीं करूंगी। हो सकता है एक की वीडियो ऑन नहीं है, दो की वीडियो ऑन नहीं है, यहाँ पे तो हाफ से ज्यादा क्लास की वीडियो ऑन नहीं है। ऐसे तो मेरी भी वीडियो नहीं ऑन होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं भी तो जूम सेम ही है। अगर आपकी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो मेरे भी यहाँ प्रॉब्लम आएगी। मेरे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम आ नहीं रही, मेरा तो कैमरा चल रहा है।
Ma'am, sorry.
Now tell me, how can you solve 9 sum? Zoom तो सभी के लिए सेम ही है। Yes. Convert and add. Convert and add. 6.041 kilogram is given. Then 41.100 kilogram is given. And then 33.005 kilogram is given. The question is to convert gram, then add. It means you will convert this kilogram to gram, you will convert this kilogram to gram, and you will convert this kilogram to gram. After converting, you will add. Let's start from here. This is kilogram. It means here the question is to convert this to the gram. 1, 2, 3. 3 jumps. So we will write 6.041 multiplied by 1000 gram. So remove the decimal. 6041 upon 100 multiplied by 1000 gram. Cancellation. And we will write here 6041 gram. Similarly, come to the second part. Same method. Movement towards right hand side. So 41 decimal 100 multiplied by 123 gram. So 41, remove the decimal. After the decimal we have 3 digits. So 3 zeros in the denominator. Cancellation. And this is 41100 gram. Now come to the last part. In the last part, same method. So 33.005 multiplied by 1000 gram. Again remove the decimal. 33005 upon 1000 multiplied by 1000 gram. Cancellation. Now 33005 gram. First in gram, second in gram, third in gram. Now add and write down your result in the chat box. Now add. Very good, Raghav Gupta. Very good. Now add. So last step is, this is your first step to convert. First step. Now in the second step you will add. It means 6041 gram plus 41100 gram plus 33005 gram. So here you have 80416 gram. Well done. 80416 gram. Very good response. और बेटा अगर वीडियोस ऑन करोगे तो मुझे और अच्छा लगेगा. So this is the way to solve the sum. First of all, kilogram is given. You will convert all the kilograms to gram. After conversion, you will add all the parts. And here, why 3 zeros in the denominator? This is decimal. After the decimal, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. After the decimal, check on right hand side always. 3 digits. It means whenever you will remove the decimal, you will write 3 zeros. If we have 2 digits after the decimal, then we will write 2 zeros. If we have 3 digits after the decimal, then we will write 3 zeros. If we have 4 digits after the decimal, then we will apply 4 zeros in the denominator. So note down. Now come to the, after that come to the 10th question A part. Tenth question A part. Yes, Pavneet. Pavneet, unmute yourself. Touch unmute button from your side. Yes, Pavneet. Now express 804.219 kilogram is given. Convert this to decagram. Deca. Now, how can you convert this to decagram? Pavneet, how can you convert this kilogram to decagram? Pavni. Pavni, are you hearing me? Pavni, are you hearing me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, how can you convert this kilogram to decagram? What is the first step?
Ma'am, first draw the table.
Yes. Tell me the table.
kg,
Yes.
hg,
Yes.
decagram,
Yes, decagram,
gram,
gram,
decigram,
decigram,
centigram,
centigram,
and milligram.
and milligram. And in the question, kilogram is given to you. It means you are here. You are here. Now tell me,
Ma'am,
how can you convert kilogram to decagram? Jump on which side?
ma'am, left hand side.
You are here. Kilogram. Kilogram is given to you. This is kilogram. And the question is
Ma'am,
the decagram. This side is right hand side. This side. So this is 1. This is 2.